Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a LUT into Premiere Pro. First, go to the top menu and click on Window, then open the Lumetri Color panel. Now, select the clip you want to color grade. In the Creative section of Lumetri Color, you'll see a drop-down for Look. If you click on it, you'll notice Premiere comes with some built-in LUTs. To add your own LUT, click on the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the location of your downloaded LUT. Select your LUT and click Open. Now, the LUT will be applied to your clip. You can adjust its intensity using the slider below the Look drop-down. If you want your LUT to be available for future projects, you'll need to manually add it to Premiere's LUT folder. Close Premiere Pro, then find the application folder on your computer. Navigate to the Program Files directory, find Adobe Premiere, and look for the Lumetri folder there. Inside the Lumetri folder, click on LUT. Here you'll find 3 subfolders: Creative, Legacy, and Technical. The Creative folder is where you'll want to paste your downloaded LUTs. So go ahead and copy your downloaded LUTs and paste them here. If it asks for admin permission, just click on Continue. That's it. Now you can quickly apply your LUTs without searching for them each time. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.